Welcome back. If you are new here, I am Zero the Painter. If you want to take your pencil art to the next level, colorless blending pencils are just what you've been missing. Blending pencils can give your colors substance and depth, and I'm here to show you how. Take your art to the next level with colorless blending and burnishing pencils. By using these tools, you can blend colors like a painter and add incredible depth to your work. Colorless blender pencils are used to blend colors together, while burnisher pencils polish and finish layers of pigment for a professional look. When using a blender pencil, remember to use a light touch to blend colors together. Keep the tip sharpened to avoid breaking it, and always apply color before blending. Burnisher pencils also require a light touch. They're perfect for creating a polished, photo-like finish. A blender pencil is soft and colorless, allowing you to blend two or more colors seamlessly. They're great for softening edges and creating smooth transitions in your colored pencil artwork. In this video, I'll show you how to blend using both the colorless blending pencil and the burnisher pencil. First, we'll draw two boxes. When using blending pencils, leave a small space between colors for blending. Then we'll blend each box individually before blending them together. When blending, use side-to-side strokes for the best results. Up and down strokes work best when blended side to side. You can even create a blur effect by blending sharp lines. As you can see, a blending pencil can truly take your art to the next level. If you don't have a blending pencil or can't afford one, here's a tip. Soak the tips of your pencils in water to soften them. This makes it easier to layer colors. If you enjoyed this video, please click like and subscribe for more art tips and tutorials. If you want to see more videos, just click on the playlist.